Guys, today Off-Road Outlaws is back. So, yeah guys, Off-Road Outlaws is back. It's back for good now. I decided to get it back. If you guys are asking how I have members-only vehicles, I have a modded version of it downloaded to my phone. The modded version is free, and there are no hackers on there. And it doesn't have a virus, but yeah. Anyways, today guys, we will be buying a new truck. It's a 78 or 77 Ford. Don't remember. Anyways, we gotta take the Jeep to the shop. Yeah, I got this as a Cummins. I don't know if this thing's rated for the weight, but all my other trucks are in my storage barn a couple hours away. So this is all I got right now. So we gotta take this thing out. So we gotta take this thing up to the shop. Sorry guys, and we're gonna go to look at this truck first, and then we're gonna get decide if we're gonna buy that trailer. Yeah, this is nitrous. So I'm gonna show you guys the new shop I have and everything. It's pretty nice. Well, so you guys might ask, why don't you live in this big mansion? Well, this house was built 20 or 30 years ago, I think, and it was never finished, so it's just kind of overgrown in here. I've kept that down. It's nice, but like it was like, see the dirt? It just was abandoned. See, like they didn't build it the right way, and I don't want to live here. The shop I just built. The shop's everything I need in the shop. Well, I have a tractor at my other shop, somewhere around here. I don't know where it's at, but I do haying, and this is just what I drive up on right now. But yeah, and that was built like 20 years ago. But anyways, so this is just a small shop, simple, easy, good, and there's the office, my office. I mean, it's not the nicest thing we've had, but it's better than nothing. So let's get an old truck. Okay, there's the trailer. I want to make sure I want the truck first. Where is it? Oh, I think it's just... Oh, yeah, you go over here to get to it. Yeah, the Jeep's muddy because I took it one earlier today. And I have a shotgun and a rifle back there because it's not earlier too. So, let's go. Guys, sorry about that. Let me just, climb this hill. Yeah, this bridge is kind of sketchy. Also, guys, I'm liking the new update to this map. So, yeah. So, anyways, the story on this is, the guy wanted to is selling this land because they're building an off-road track there, and he has to sell everything on it, and this truck up here is one of them. There she is. What he told me was, it's a 390 big block Ford. It's a little hyped up some. It's been sitting here for the past 5 to 6 years. 5 to 10 years, I think he said. And it has aftermarket tires. He put new tires on it a while back, because he was driving it a while back. And it has a flatbed on it because they used to haul cattle with it. And it's all rusty, the paint. And there's not really, let's look. There's not really any rust on the bottom of it. I mean, a little bit, probably. Yeah, there's a little bit on the cab corners, but when you look at it, there's not really that much. It's not that much. In the chrome, he said he's taking really good care of the chrome. He put new chrome on it because he was, a couple years ago, because he wanted to drive it, but then he decided to sell it. I think we're going to take it for a spin. Let me, go get the keys from him. We don't have the keys here. That guy lives in that ranch over there. So so we can get the keys for the truck from him. And then we can take it for a spin. Yeah, guys, I love the nitrous on here. Yeah, sorry about that realisticness. So we gotta go see what he done. What he doing? Probably not doing much since it's raining. Sorry for doing that, guys. Let me go talk to him, and I'll get the keys, and then we can go look at it. Plan is we're gonna put a diesel on it. Bye. See you in a minute. Guys, so we just got the keys, and we bought it. So let's go get the trailer, and let's go. Because I drove it once before, and I just remembered, so. Let's go get her. Let's go get the trailer, actually. Let me know what truck I should get next. I already have one of these. It's a 77 Ford. F350, actually. So this might be a little bottomed out. I don't trust the truck because I hadn't ran that much in the past couple years. I don't trust it. He said it has a leaky radiator. That's why it hasn't been driving much. So I don't trust it, even though I'm not taking it too awful far. Well, I'm going to take it here and get it running, hopefully, and then take it to my other shop and then build it. So. Hopefully. So. Oh, the magic happens in that barn where everything's built. So let's go. So this is the fastest truck that we have. It's like the fastest truck I have. This is just the smoothest riding truck. It's just probably my best truck right now since I don't have too many. And it's just lifted. It's just fun. And yeah. So let's go. Let's go build it. Let's go get this thing built. Let's go get this truck on the trailer. Let's take it for a quick spin also. He's selling all this because there's people who are going to put I think it was like a... I overturned it because I was talking. Oh, I don't want to jackknife this thing. I just got this a couple months back. There we go. Let's get her done. Let's get her done. Oh, yeah, guys. See, when this thing's running, I can drive it. So, guys, we just got it running. As you can see, it's a 4-speed truck, not a 5-speed. And we're just gonna take it for a little spin. Apparently, the guy had turbos on this truck. I don't know why you would have turbos on this truck, but okay. So let's... And nitrous, so... Oh man, now I kind of feel bad for the diesel in this. But this motor's going to be used in another project, so... Not letting you guys know what, but it's going to be used in another project. But this truck's going to be the new hauling truck. Okay, seems good enough. I'm going to do forestation anyways. put this truck in here. Also, guys, the next series I'm going to do is American farming, so be prepared for that. Sorry about that, that's kind of unrealistic. It's just the way the game is. I wish it wasn't, but it is. So let's go. Get this truck back to the shop. I didn't notice that. It has heavy-duty suspension. Yeah, I don't like this, especially when I'm driving, so I gotta do this. Yeah, guys, I don't think this thing's rated for the weight capacity this thing offers. Yeah, I should have not brought this truck, but this is the only truck I had with me at the house at the time, so this is what we got. Should have brought my other Ford truck with all this, but so I don't know what I'm gonna put in this yet. I have a Cummins I could put in a 12 valve, but then I'm considering putting a 7.3 in it and a few others. But 12 valve that 12 valve is most likely, but I'm thinking about putting a 7.3 liter diesel in it. You know, so we'll just have to see. So stop. The cars, nope. So I'm gonna get up here. Yeah, this truck's definitely not made for this. The Jeep isn't. This Jeep wasn't definitely made for this. Definitely not made for this. This is a trail truck Jeep. Let's get the truck unloaded. Yeah. So guys, I'll see you when this is done. Oh, sorry about the gun. I'll see you guys when this is done. So it's about 4 or 5 months later, guys. And all I did to this truck was put an engine in it and build the engine. That's all I've done to it. And for the motor, we decided on a 7.3 liter Power Stroke built up. And I sent it off to paint. I did the frame and everything, but I sent it off to paint a couple months back. And I just got it back from paint. I did the frame and everything. And anyways, guys, we got a truck that's a little bit more suitable for the weight. It's 5-ton. She's got a cat motor in it. I put a cat motor in it. I bought it with no motor. I put a cat engine in it. So let's get in her. I can't wait to see it. I haven't seen it in 4 months. Go see her. Yeah, guys, this truck's a 5-speed. And it's a 5-speed truck. This truck's a 5-speed truck. This has a 5-speed, and that's what it came with, and I just have to change it. For what I'm doing on 5 speeds, completely fine. I'm not traveling in this truck at highway speeds yet. So we're almost to the shop now. So I haven't really seen this truck. I brought it to the paint shop, dropped it off on my trailer, and they said they dropped it off. Oh my gosh, guys. It's finally done. I don't know why they didn't put it inside, but whew. Yeah, I put that on there, but I asked them, can you repaint the flatbed? Can you repaint the cab this color? I said, I put these wheels on and the newer tires. Put the rifle rack in there. Whew, she's spiffy, isn't she? We're gonna get in her and maybe take it for a spin. But first I'm gonna take it back to the house. Guys, no, I'm not gonna take it back to the house. This truck can stay here for the night. So let's swap and get in this truck. Whew. And I did put a 5-speed in it. It's got a 7.3 liter power stroke. It runs. She'll run it. I think she'll run. Oh yeah, she will run. Oh yeah, bud. Oh. Pretend like you didn't see that. Just, yeah. You didn't see that. You did not see that. Pretend like you didn't see this either. You didn't see it. Didn't do anything. Let's see how she looks in front of the house. Ooh, this truck's just gonna be mean. Ooh. Oh, bud. And I think I can actually... I think I might be able to squeeze this in there, but I don't know. That's just a fun truck. No, I know a guy. He lives over here. I remember when there was a trailer park here. I miss the trailer park, but I like this. I love the nitrous they put on this. I'm just gonna take this thing across the bridge quick. Oh, bud. She's a mudder, ain't she? She's a mud truck. It is a mudder. She is a mud truck. She is a mudder. She sure is. She sure is a mud truck. She sure is a mudder. She sure is a mud truck. So, let me get out of here, guys, and I will end the video here. Guys, bye. Please like, subscribe if you want to. I don't care if you do or don't. Bye.